Here we have this 68 plate Ford Ranger WILDTRAK DCB TDCI. Comes with the LED headlights with the large black grille in the centre, fog lights either side of the number plate and the nudge bar at the bottom. Making our way around, you can see we've got the wide arch body kit, giving this a great presence on the road. We've got the 20-inch black and silver alloy wheels just there with the side steps at the bottom. We've got roof rails at the top, privacy glass at the rear for the passengers with a black trim around the outside with the grey door handles and grey door mirrors. We've also got the colour-coded top box at the back. So if I just show you the inside of this, so if we just press this button in and lift up, you'll be able to see the space in there. Plenty of space. Just closing this back up again. You'll be able to see we've got the tow bar and also got the parking sensors running across the bottom of the bumper. Now this car does come free from any major marks, dents or scratches. So as we take a look at the rear interior, you'll be able to see we've got the black leather and the orange cloth ISOFIX points with the armrest in the centre. We've also got the electric windows on the back door. Onto the front, we've got the same styling front seats, black leather with the orange stitching, orange cloth in the middle with the orange WILDTRAK badging there. Both of these seats are heated and electrically adjustable on the side. We've also got the electric windows with the child lock at the rear, automatic lights and the multifunctional steering wheel. Taking a seat inside, turning this vehicle on, my foot is on the brake, so if we just turn the key, you can see on the dashboard that we are free from any warning lights other than the fuel. Onto the steering wheel, we've got the cruise control and speed limiter with the manual function for the dashboard here. So you can see it goes through the speedometer and the trip on the right hand side. We've also got the volume button and the Bluetooth phone connectivity here on the left hand side. Onto the main screen, we've got the satellite navigation with the Bluetooth media. We've also got the Bluetooth audio and the Bluetooth phone connectivity. We've got the dual climate control with the air conditioning, heated front window and heated rear window, and both of the heated seat functions. We've got the USB-C and the USB just there. We've also got the automatic gearbox with the 2 high, 4 high and 4 low drive modes with the handbrake and the cup holders. Now as I just pop it into reverse, you'll be able to see on screen we've got the rear reversing camera with the guidelines. Popping it back into park to make it safe. Now that's all I'm going to show you guys today. For more information on this vehicle, you can head to the website or give our sales team a call. This car comes with a fresh MOT and a fresh service and free nationwide next day delivery. Thank you for watching.